25 because 3 are missing, but of course the whole slot is booked. So the departure will be from here at 9 o'clock in 8 minutes. So now, since this is a very important site with marble columns on the floor, with these nice perspectives, I would like to give you this 5-7 minutes free time here in this area.
Donc là, ça fait comme des...
Mais pourquoi c'est quoi ça?
Mais je t'ai dit, c'est comme les vestiaires pour les stades.
Oh, look at this. Of course. No, anyway, if you can look at the perspective is gorgeous. As soon as you can, of course. But you have two walls on the right side and on the left side. Now you have to know that both they are containing inside on the right and on the left side rows of other kind of elevators. We've seen one made entirely in wood, but in the central side there were elevators surrounded by masonry and just the wooden platform was left down. With a system of poles, wooden capstan, which were filled inside the hall over there. I'm still pointing that hall, which is made of bronze, because you have to know. The fact that the gladiators were walking from their place where they lived and they crossed all this area and they made their appearance on the balcony under the arch. Mast in the center with the handles, and now you have to know that we are exactly at the opposite side from that place, and it is another half-circle wall where there were many elevators. Displayed here like an exhibition, but inscriptions were really very important in the ancient Roman times because they are giving us the real information, which are written historical books that we studied. And that's
Ah, parce qu'ils voyaient bien, regarde là, on voyait quand même.
On the ground level, you see these decorations that were put on top of the marble columns. Many of them we're going to see in the farm. And also, anyway, if you look on the left side, these slopes, very short ones that you have, they were the staircases of the senators, which had seats alongside the stage. So we see them from here. They are left, of course, not restored, but you see again on the left side these short slopes as stairs of senators, and they are flanked by these white capitals. This means that they were flanking the staircases, they were columns with the white capitals displayed on top. So these were the decorations which is quite hard to imagine. Decorations are pieces of marble. Normally marbles we have a handle line of the presence of people normally. This is not because of the heat. And then it restarts again towards the end of August. Not many of these iron pins were removed during the centuries, were pillaged from the Colosseum over the centuries. Since iron was a very important material, there could be so the 400 miles built in the 3rd century. There is a fountain here, it was the second one closer to the entrance, so I recommend, which is the oldest also, and it's an arch, the inner side of which, the barrel vault of which, is 2,000 years old. Now let's go a bit closer. When he was still a general, he was sent to his father to Jerusalem, by his father to Jerusalem, since in Jerusalem there was a rebellion against the Romans. We are walking towards the forum, and as I told you, remember at 8:30 this morning, the forum is a square, it's an open space, where the most important events were held. We are going towards that side. But then, not only the forum is left today, it could be too small. That would find, fortunately, a very large archaeological site was left. So beside the forum itself, were built many important buildings. This one, that one that you have at the opposite side, is just 1/3 of a huge, enormous building that was 3 times bigger of a court. Around the forum, around the square, were built the most important buildings, the Senate. So that's a building made of bricks with a black window, strongly restored.
It's huge, eh?
Well, the temperature is gorgeous, of course. Yes, thank goodness. But at the end of the tour you can go there. But I want to let you know, since you are going to see some other areas, the Roman emperors, when they died, they were worshipped as gods. They became divine creatures. Sounds strange, but you have to know that this tradition, you can check how overwhelming they are, how overwhelming was everything. This is the level, the ground level of the ancient Rome, level of the 1st century, 2,000 years ago. Those columns, only 3 left. They are part of many other columns which were following all the side wall of another temple, the back side and the other side, and the front side of it. And you can check how they have no cuttings, they are made in one piece each, and constructed from bricks. So this is the portion of the temple transformed into a church. The church is showing you a green door.
Yeah.
We can't reach out the area. So the brown wall there was the tribunal speeches given to the crowd filling the square. The square was so important, it was even paved differently with this white travertine. I mean, you see this dark, but there are everywhere there. It's matte white, actually the original color, and it's different from the streets made of this cardboard.